All right, hey everybody, we're back at Davison Cemetery here in Hickory Point. It's been, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. Check these out. That's what I'm talking about. We pulled up and we were both saying, wow, wow. That's what we were going for. They were covered in that moss, I forget what you call it, that brown funk for decades. Yeah, you couldn't, it was really hard to read them. Some of it you couldn't read. Well, you can see that. That's very gratifying. We pulled up and we're just really surprised. We shouldn't have been surprised. They were in such shape. You know, we got the look we were going for. That's W.P. Adkins in the middle, Priscilla on the left, and their son, Nicholas Marion, on the right. We've been here before. We videoed them. Now up here, the two children. When we left them last time, we left some D2 on them. Huge improvement, but they're going to be white, just like the others. We're going to D2 them again and rinse them, scrub them, and we'll check back with them in a few weeks. We'll just do a real quick job. Tell you what, let me get a brush. The same brush that I shower with sometimes.
No, he does not.
Put a little water on it. It's ready to go. This is Irma Adkins. Set that over here. A little brush just to see. Face is shaky. Still some funk on it. It'll come off in time. It's hot as snot out here. This is D2. It's what does the magic. The next time we see these, they're going to be white, and you'll see just how pretty they can be, should be. You can see the funk running off. Alright, something's going on here. Got a little air leak. And if you're looking for sprayers that aren't too bad on the wallet, I recommend these. They were like $35 $38. A little more scrubbing. Leave that one. Look on the other one.
His looks a little cleaner.
Yeah, these are actually, they're not in bad shape at all. I don't know when we'll be back up here, but probably not real soon. But it'll be one of those oh wow moments when we drive around the corner and see them all glowing. Goodness, it is hot out here.
Mm-hmm.
This is Priscilla Adkins. Oh my. You gotta be careful what kind of brushes you use on these. I mean, people shouldn't have to be told not to use metal brushes, but apparently it happens. I find it takes a couple of good cleanings. Theoretically, you could just put some D2 on them and over time it'll work. I don't have that kind of patience. So now we're just going to wet them down with a little D2. Leave the rest to Mother Nature and they will be in good hands. Keep springing an air leak. Getting tangled up. Twisted. All right, we'll leave the rest to Mother Nature. We'll catch you next time.